Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're going to give a little update on our farm stand and how it's been doing. It's 1st of August, so it's been in service almost a month, not quite a month. We had to shut down a couple of days because of the heat. If it's really hot outside, it just gets really hot in here and runs the vegetables quicker. But we haven't really made any changes. Come on in. I think as far as the layout, we really like. I don't know if I'm going to change anything on the layout. Now we're talking about maybe doing some kind of different labeling because this don't work really all that well as we thought. Probably should have used a smoother plywood maybe. It might have worked better. So we're talking about getting some metal signs or some kind of metal or something and get some magnetic things made for going here. The money box seems to be working good. Haven't had anything stolen. Not sold. We've sold quite a bit. We moved some soap down here. Of course, we got our honey come out today. And now we did have a little problem getting people to stop initially. I don't think they knew what it was exactly. So we had some signs made that says fresh vegetables, and we put them out in front, and that seemed to help out quite a bit. And this is actually the girls run this. I'm just talking about it. They come down and change out the vegetables every day and do all the hard work, get the money, and stuff like that. But I think the layout's beautiful. I don't have any any complaints about the layout. I think we need to paint the floor. I think this is just a primer on the floor. It's scuffing off a little bit. We just didn't really have time to paint it, so we're going to do something a little different on it, I think, when we get a little break. So we could even checkerboard it. We already put orange and white checkerboard on it, like Tennessee.
Clash with our red and white.
Red and white, yeah. Oh, like this?
Yeah. I said it would clash, the orange and white.
Oh yeah, you're right. So we might do something a little different in here, and I guess we'll talk about how much money we've made. I think up to yesterday we made $384 here. So I mean, we're not getting rich, but it's the first month. And it's getting bigger. Like we said, the first week I didn't think we made any sales because people didn't know what it was. And so it's kind of gotten pretty good about that. I think the biggest day we've had is $72 or $3. We've been averaging about, I say most days like $20 to $30. And then of course we're closed on Sunday, and if it gets really hot, we'll shut down. But we put it on Facebook. So that's what we made, $384, which actually paid for all our seeds. So everything we make at the farmer's market's been profit. Well, we did have to spend a few dollars in here with plywood and stuff. We didn't count that, but it wasn't that much. And I can't think of any other changes. I wish we could put air down here. We're quite a little ways from the house, so we got drop cords running out here to this fan. I've got the fan turned off because it's so loud. And but we might eventually, if we make pretty good money, get an air conditioner or something to put in this window. And I don't know what we do about the door, but we'll figure all that out. So anyway, I hope this was a help. We appreciate everybody that stopped by. Keep on coming, because we're going to keep it going. We're going to try to go all the way to at least December. With vegetables, and we're going to start replanting here today or two. We'll have pumpkins in the fall. What else are we going to have? Apples. We might have a few apples. I can't think. Maybe some kind of jellies we might have. I think the girls were talking about making some bread this fall. So we'll kind of make this a good little stop here for you. And it's worked out pretty nice. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment and I'll answer it, or send me an email. I answer all the emails. So I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. or your local farm stand. And we'll see you down here in the farm next video.